Okay, hi guys, I'm coming to you live from the MYOB Cork office. So I'll give you a quick look out the window and show you what Ireland looks like. So there you go, that's the little park across the road, and would you believe there's actually blue skies. So it's only the second day since I've been home I've seen a blue sky, so I'm pretty excited. So look, I'm just recording a quick video message to socialise an idea I have around an operations tool we could build to monitor our stack on Amazon. And I thought, rather than writing a big email or doing fancy diagrams and documents, the quickest thing is probably just to make a little video diary and share the link with you guys and just send me on your feedback. Does it sound like a good idea? Has it got legs? Or, you know, do I need to get out in the sunlight and fix my brain? So just give me honest feedback, yeah? So here's the idea. When you look at our stack on Amazon, when it's running, there's a whole load of different points of failure where things can go wrong, right? I suppose if the big ones, you know, Mashery might be down, all our API traffic goes through Mashery. Amazon might be down, it's game over. The web servers might be up and the database service might be down. So that there's at least four, you know, the load balancer mightn't be working. So that there's at least 4 or 5 different points of failure through the system, and all of these things have to be working for our system to be fully working. You know, the calculation service would run even if there isn't a back-end database up. So I guess when we're out there in the wild and we're live, we're going to want to have a whole lot of tests and checks that we can just run against the system really frequently. That'll tell us if the whole thing is up or if bits of it are down. So I guess it would be to help us troubleshoot when there's problems and when customers ring in with complaints. Or even better than that, it would probably tell us when there's problems in the system before we even hear it from support. Right? So that's the problem we're trying to solve. And there's a whole load of commercial tools out there. A lot of them are free, like Pingdom is one of the biggest ones. And it will give you reports on the uptime of your website. But as far as I can see, most of them just ping a static HTML page, and they assume you've got a website. So they'll navigate through links and tell you if things work. And we don't have a website, you know, we've just got RESTful services. So the sneaky plan is this, right? We build our own ASP.NET MVC website, really simple. And the landing page for that, every time a request comes in for that page, we fire off all our diagnostic checks. So let's say there might be a pre-canned practice that's already set up in the database, Aidan's practice, and every time we hit this website, we create an asset in that practice. We perform a calculation from the calculations engine, and then we hit a whole load of dummy REST services or RESTful services that we've built. You know, something that just returns data from the app server to say that the app server's up. Something that connects to the database to say, yeah, I can make a connection to the database. And maybe we put a little placeholder on, you know, we ping Mashery and make sure that comes back. So that I think what's nice about this is that we could use Pingdom, the free free service, to hit our website every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes when our page is requested, we could do all these health checks and just record all the metrics to a simple database in the back end. So I guess out of that you could really quickly then build up a picture of what your availability was over the month. You know, were we up 24/7, or these were the outages for these areas, and we could tie in all sorts of nice notifications around it. So, you know, yeah, Twitter, we can do SMSs and we can tweet to the world and everything else if there's a problem. Send out emails. You know, we can just spam ourselves. So whenever the system is down, or the parts of the system is down, we're the first to know about it. So that's pretty much the idea in a nutshell. So what I'm proposing is we build a really simple website. We host it on another cloud platform, Windows Azure, so you can pretty much host a website there for free. Every time you request a page in that website, it goes off and makes a whole load of different RESTful calls to some services that we build out, and we reuse some of our existing services. And it'll report back and tell us, you know, I've done 10 health checks and all 10 passed, or only 9 of the 10 passed, and it'll then send out alerts and let us know. So that's the idea. I'll send you a quick email and a link to this recording on YouTube, and just let me know what you think. Thanks guys, bye.